Microcurrent therapy. It's non-invasive, painless procedure. It can reduce wrinkles and sagging skin of the face, stomach, thighs, and buttocks. Joining us to share more about this treatment are Dr. Daniel Champagne, owner of Beautiful Image of Western Mass in South Hadley, and co-owner and clinician Sherry Champagne. So nice to have you both here.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
This is fascinating, the microcurrent therapy. It's something that is new to New England. Tell us what this is, Dr. Champagne.
Microcurrent therapy utilizes a current that the body recognizes in its normal neurological processes that we all have electrical energy in our bodies. And what it does essentially is it awakens the skin cells, not only on the surface but underneath as well. For example, the elastic tissue underneath the skin, it becomes more elastic instead of being kind of saggy-baggy as we get older. It eliminates the wrinkles under the skin because it's rejuvenating the skin cells. So it's fascinating. I got involved with it just a few months ago, actually. It's very common in Florida and California. A lot of celebrities are doing it. But we really are interested in skincare, and we wanted to introduce it to New England, and we're getting fabulous results.
And it's all natural, no downtime. All right, so we're going to talk more about it, but we want to see it. So we have some video of the treatment actually being done. Sherry, talk us through what's happening in this.
Okay, what you see now, I'm applying a lotion to the face. When we do that, that's the conductor for the therapy, the microcurrent therapy. You don't actually feel the microcurrent therapy when you're being treated, but once we get the lotion on, then I start using my microcurrent wands, and there is a set pattern that we do acupressure points and a set system and pattern that we do for stimulating the collagen and the elastin, repairing the skin from the inside out. And it's just amazing. You don't feel anything like a lot of the procedures that are out there. They're quite painful. You have to have a numbing gel or something else. When you come in, you go out looking better than when you came in to see me. It's just fantastic. I've had great results with all ages. The younger you start this procedure, it works on 40-year-olds, 50-year-olds. We don't have as many wrinkles at that age. You're really repairing the skin, repairing damage that's happened from the sun, from the environment, from not eating properly, and it's just fabulous what happens with this treatment.
So people come in, what are some of the common complaints that they have? You know, people look in the mirror and say, this is what's driving me nuts.
A lot of people come in, they have the crow's feet around the eyes. A lot of the older people, even younger people now, they're starting to develop the lines around the mouth from drinking from a straw. And that's the younger people are seeing that. A lot of people, too, also have a lot of lines and like worry lines on their forehead. People have either a 1 or an 11 between the eyebrows, so it's just amazing. Also the lines around the mouth, the deep creases as patients get older, that really is a lot. A lot of people worry about those lines, too.
So they're really seeing an improvement in the skin when they get these treatments done. And it can range from 10 treatments to 20, depending on your age and what you need. All right, let's look at some before and afters of people that have come to see you. Tell us about Darlene.
Okay, Darlene's my first patient. She's 68 years old. When she came in, she was not happy with her appearance. She really had the dark circles and lines around her eyes, had deep lines around her mouth from she was a past sun worshiper and also an ex-smoker way back in her 20s and 30s. So she was just not happy. Also around her mouth, she's had some medical procedures, some dental procedures. So. And this was 3 months later. She had about 20 treatments. The results are just fabulous. She is thrilled with her skin. Before, when she would get up in the morning, she would always apply makeup. Now if she's staying home during the day, she doesn't even put her makeup on. I mean, her friends and her family, they just tell her how beautiful she looks right now.
And most importantly, she likes what she sees.
Oh, she loves what she sees.
Let's take a look at some more before and afters. Now, who are we looking at now?
This is Lynn. She's a 57-year-old. She came in because she had jowls and her chin line was just not what she wanted. Also, if you notice, she has dark coloration under the eyes, too. So she's really improved once we see the after shot that we see here. I mean, look at under her eyes. The skin tone is just improved. Also, her chin is more defined. The jowls are not there anymore. It's just she just continues to improve. I see her every 2 weeks for maintenance, and she's just getting more beautiful every time.
We have one more before and after. This is Susan. Actually, this is beautiful image, facial and body sculpting. So let's look at Susan now.
This is Susan. She's in her mid-60s, and she wasn't happy. She's a grandmother, but she says, where did the time go? And she wanted to really improve. She has a little rosacea, it looks like there too, and she wanted to improve around her mouth and just look younger because she doesn't feel old. And this is her after shot. And it's just amazing how everything has softened.
Softened, yes, and that's the thing. I think most importantly, we're looking at the before and after here, is that that you love what you see, and you know that you didn't have to take any drastic measures to get there. And what you are all about, we were talking earlier, Dan and Sherry, is all natural, safe, and something that is not going to hurt you or not be good for you in the long run.
There's no side effects at all to this treatment. There's no contraindications. I believe the only people that would not be candidates for it would be those with epilepsy. And there's another...
we can't treat epilepsy, pacemakers, or pregnant women.
Okay. Now, we do want to mention that you're offering a special for Mass Appeal viewers.
Yes, we are. For Mass Appeal viewers, and also on the website, we're offering a 20% off for Mass Appeal viewers. So if you come in to see me or call, mention that you saw us on Mass Appeal, and we'll give you this discount.
Wonderful. Thanks so much for joining us
Thank
today.
you.
Nice to hear more about this. And I know you'll be back next month. We'll talk more about microcurrent therapy. And you also offer free consultations, so people can call you. We're going to let you know right now. For more information, call 413-534-1223 or visit beautifulImageofWesternMass.com.